Here we have a question. They have given for a set of numbers. Ignore this diagram. Just see here. We have these numbers over here. Okay, so like 100, 85, 45, 55, 120, 20, 70. So for this given set of numbers, we have to construct a tree. Okay, so for this we have to construct a tree. Obviously, it will be a binary tree itself. Now let us see. We will try to see all the possible things. So we will construct a tree from this given number also, and we will find the in order, post order, pre order traversal for all these things. So see here, whenever they give a set of numbers, so the first number which is there, okay, over there, that is my root always. That number will always be my root itself. So whenever they give a set of numbers, the first number is always my root number. So since 100 is given, 100 is my root. Now you see the second number. If the second number is greater than 100, then it will be placed in the right. It will be placed as the right subtree. If it is lesser than 100, it will be like left subtree. If it is greater, then it becomes its right child. If it is lesser, it becomes its left child. Okay. So see, we have 85. 85 is less than 100. So I will place it in the left hand side. 85. Then I have 45. 45 is again less than 100. So I will come here. Now see here. After come here, again I have to compare here whether 45 is less than this or greater. If it is less, I will play left hand side. If it is greater, again right hand side. So it is less. I will place here 45. Then again I have 55. Now see here, 55 is less than 100. Again I will check with 85. It's still less than 85. So again I will come here. Now check whether 55 is less than 45 or greater than 45. If it is greater, I will place in the right hand side. 55. Now 120. 120 is greater than 100, so it will come directly in the RH side. Then I have 20. So now see here, see 20 is less than 100. I will compare with this root, I mean node. So 85, it is and 20 is again less than 85. Now I will compare with 45. It is again less. So here will be my 20. Now see, I have 70. Check whether 70 is less than 100. Yeah. If you now check with 85, it's less. Yes. Now check with 45. It's greater than 45. My 70. So I will come here. So I already have one this node here. So I will check whether it is greater than 55. Yeah, it is greater than 55. So my 70 will come here. Similarly, the 90 also it will check here. Now see here 100. Now 90, is it greater than 85? Yeah. So 90 will come here. Okay. Now don't get confused and you place here. Sometimes what will happen, will like that flow will see, oh, it is greater, so we will see the last node. So not like that. Sometimes see in the beginning also we will have some nodes. So 90 was greater than 85. It is less than 100, but here it is greater than 85. So it will come here. Now we have 115. It is greater than 100. I will check with this node. 120. Whether 115 is greater than 120? No, it is less. So if it is less, I will place in the left hand side. 115. Now 65. It's less than 100. Okay, 85. Now 65 is less than 85. Yes, it is less than 85. Now compare with 45. Is 65 less than 45? No, it's greater. So it will come here. So now again we have a node here 55. Is 65 less than or greater than? Greater than. Now I will come here. So now see here. Now 70 is there. Now 70. 65 is less than 70. Yes. So it will be placed in the left hand side. 65. Then I have 130. 130 greater than 100. Yes. It is greater than 200. Yes. So 130 will come here. Okay, then I have 145. 145 is greater than 100. Again, it is greater than 120. Again, if I check with this node, already I have. So 130. It is greater than 130 also. So 145. So this is my tree over here. Now let us see how we have to we can find the traversal for this. So let me just draw this tree over here for reference. Okay. Or else let it be here as it is. We will do one by one in this part of thing itself, or we will do here. Okay, so it's visible, right? Yeah, it is visible now. Now see here. For first we will do in order. Okay, so in order traversal, what happened? For in order, let me take a marker. It should be visible properly. So for in order, what will happen? My root will be in the middle. In matlab middle. Okay, so first I will visit my left. Then I have my root. Then I have my right. Okay, left. So this is my root. Okay, so see here, it became like a burger. Anyhow, so left, root, right. So my root should be in the middle, and then my left, then my right. So the easiest way, first I'll say two ways. One direct way, most of the time we might go somewhere wrong, so I'll also say this another way. So this is 100. So first we have to check, we have to take left first. I came left, it is again root, I have to go for left first, again it is a root, I have to go for left first. So my 20 will come here left, then I will go for right, then right here if I see it's my root again if I come 70 it's my root again. So then if it is root, then left right, so like that we have to write. So what we'll do, we'll do the bottom up technique. Now see here, one by one I will draw the, okay, so it's better I draw the reference diagram here. 85, 90, here 45. So here I have 20 and here I have 55, 70, 65. For this 120, 130, 145, and then this will come here 115. Now see here, this is my tree, right? So what I will do? So I will do bottom up technique. First left, then right. I mean first left, then root, then right. Okay. So here, see here. So there I did mistakes here. Now what I will do? Bottom up technique. First my left, okay, then root. So what I will do? Here I will write 65, 70. Okay. Now here, so this, if it is a root, there is no left, then root, then right. So what I will do? For this itself I will write 55, 65, 70. Okay. Similarly now 20, 45, and this thing I will write directly 20, 45, 55, 65, 70. Okay. So this much over. So this is my node here. Okay. Now again left, root, right. So this is my left, right. So what I will do? Left, then now root, that is 85, then right, that is my 90. So this much is over. Now my left part was completed. Now my root came 100. Now my right side. If I come to right side, now see here again, I have to follow left, root, right. So no is no left, then root and right. So 130, 145. Then again left, root, right. So 100 came. So my left 115 first, then my 120, then what is there my right, I will write 130, 145. This same thing I will attach here 115, 120, 130, 145. Okay, we understood, right? So one by one I will just place up, I will add there. One by one if I go up, everything will be like over. So let me write the in order value here. So in order. So what is this? 20, 45, 55, 65, 70, 85, 90, 100, 115, 120, 130, 145. Okay, so this was my in order traversal for the given tree. Okay, you also try to solve once and let me know in the comment whether if it is right or wrong. If it is wrong, I will try to check with it and do. I don't think it will be wrong. Okay, so let me draw that tree again, and now let us do pre-order. Okay, just give me a moment. You can either skip this part until I finish this drawing. This is 55, 70, 65, and here 120, 130, 145, and here I have 115. So now in pre-order what happens? So let me write for pre-order here. So pre-order is nothing but my root will be first. Okay, pre, it will be first, then my left again, then my right. RIGHT, correct. First my root will come, then my left will come, then my right. So first root. Okay, so first root, then my left, then my right. So see here, now let us start bottom up technique again. So here first root will come, then left, right. So no right, so root comma left, so 70 comma 65. Then here this is root again, there is no left, root right. So see here, there is no left, right, I mean first root is there, then left, then right. So first root I will write, so 50 comma then 70, 65. So here 55 will come. Okay, So this is my complete right now. Then here root left right, so 45, then 20, then the right part 45, first root left, then complete right part. Understood? Just try to understand what I am saying. Then I have this whole thing as my left of this. So first root and then left. So what is the root? My root is 85, then 85, sorry, then my left part, then right nothing is there already, okay, nothing was there in the right. So for now my left part was completely over. Understood? So let me just write here 85, 45, 20, 55, 70, 65. So this is my left part. So my left is done. Okay, now my right. So see, this is root, then right. So 130 comma 145. Then again this is root, this is left, then right. First I will write root 120, then my left, then my right, everything what was there right. So now I will just add this here 120, 115, 130, 145. So this is nothing but my expression for my pre-order. Okay, 100. First will be my root always here 85, 45, 20, 50, 70, 65, 120, 115, 130, 145. Okay. So this was my pre-order traversal. Now for post order, what happens? Post order. Post means last. So first will be my left, then right, then last my root will come. Okay. So let us do that also now. I have to draw the tree again for that. So let me just draw 100, 85, 45, 20, 55, 70, 65, 120, 115, 130, 145. So remember my root will be last, so this obviously my 100 should come last itself, that thing I can know. So first left, okay, first I will say write my left. So starting from the, okay, so this is my root, I should go left. Again this is my root, I should go left. This is my root, I should go left. Now left, first I will write this is, so this is my first left, then I will come for right. So right, if I see it's acting as root again if I come to this right of that child to that, again it is acting as root. So if it is root, then I should say right left first, then right. So there is no right, so then 65, right is not there, 70. So again then I will write my 55. So let us see how it comes. So first let us do bottom up technique. So if I do bottom up, left root, I mean left right root, so there is no right, so it will be 65 comma 70. So left right root, there is no left, so I will write right first and then I will write my root. Understood? So here 70. So this is my right now, it's not this. Then again left right root, how it will be? 20, then this is the right part, then my root, it is 45. Okay. So this is my left child. Now this again left right, okay, left right, then this root will come. So left is there, already this whole thing is left, there is no right, then I will write root 85. Now coming to this, before writing root I have to write the right side, right? So 80 over, so this much is over. So left part of the this thing is over. Now but I have to write, now I came to the root, so if it is root I cannot write it directly, I have to go for right part. So as you can see here, first I came here, this is again root, so I will write left first, I wrote left first, or else let us do bottom, anyhow 115 should come here. Now right, if I come to right it is acting as a root again, if I come to right it is acting as so here no left. Okay, so see here for this root, this is the right, there is no left, so first left right root, so my 145 will come here. So left right root, so 115, what is in my right? 130, 145, then my root is 120. So, for this root, this part is over, left is over, right is over, the remaining is root, right. So, 100 will come at the last. Okay. We will let us write here post order ka. So, 20, 65, 70, 55, 45, 85, 115, 130, 145, then 120, and at the last we have 100. Okay. So, this was our this. So, let us once now see, we will again check once, okay, the given tree. So, let us see from here itself. So, first in order, first my 100, okay, should be the, 100 should come in the middle. So, in order what will happen, left is my first, then I go for root, then my right. So, first left, this is again root, I cannot write. If I come here, 45 is again root, I cannot write. Then coming here, so 20. So, 20 is my first left, I wrote 20, then the immediate root of it, then I will come to right. While I come to right, again I see it is like my root. So, I will check for 70, then I will check for the 65. But see here, I wrote right now. Here do not make mistake. If you do bottom up, left root right, then left root right. So, it will be like 50, 65, 70. So, make sure you write it properly. Then this part, if you do like that, it came correct. Now, again this part, this much is over. Then again this left is over, then root, then right, 85, 90. So, left part over, now root I will write. So, it comes here, then I go for right part. So, first here it is again root. So, you cannot write root. So, first I will write left. As soon as I write left, I will write my root, immediate root, 115, 120, then 130, 145. Now, you might get confused here, this part, do not get confused, 20, 45, 55. Here why 55 comes first. So, if I say like that, it is root, I cannot write, first I have to write left. Now, see here, I will say again one more thing. So, when I come here 55, first I have to write my left, right. Left is not there. If there is no left, first I will write root only, no. Then only I will write 70. Understood? So, first I wrote my left, immediate root, and coming to right, it is again acting as a root. So, first what is the condition? Left root right, no. Left is not there. So, see here, no left. So, I will write immediate root again. I wrote, then I will go for right. It is acting as root. Then I will check if it is left, is there first left. So, I see, I wrote first left, then right. Understood like that. Now, coming to pre-order, pre-order is nothing but first my root will come. So, 100 will come first. Then, see here, this is my root. Okay, I will write again. Root, after root what? Left, right. So, if I see my 45, it is acting as root again. So, root, left, right. So, right you will see it is acting as root again. So, I will write 55 again. So, okay, I wrote 50, yeah. It is not 50, it is 55. Just anyhow what is there in that, small mistakes happens, but I did not do anything wrong, right. So, only number was wrong. So, root, left is not there, I will write right. Okay, I wrote, I will come to right, I saw it is again root. So, first I will write root. So, I wrote root, then left, there is no right. So, this much part over, from 100 to this over, now right. So, I saw this is my root. So, I will write my root first, because in pre-order root is first, then my left, I wrote left, then coming to right. If I come to right, again this is acting as root. So, first I will write this, then left, then right. So, like that this thing also. Now, let us see post order, confirm once again post order. Post order means what? First left, amele full right, amele bari, what is that? Root. So, 20 is my first root, this 100 I will see, no, it is not my, it is root. So, I will go for left. 85 it is root, I will go for left. 45 it is root, I will go for left. Then I will go for right. While come to right, it is again left. I cannot write 55. So, again I will see for left, it is, there is no left, then I will write, come for right. I came to right, but I saw again my 70 is root, I cannot write my root first. So, I will write my left. So, I saw, I wrote my left first. Then right, nothing is there. So, I will write my root. Okay, I wrote root. Then for this tree, left over, this much part over. So, now this is acting as right. So, anyhow left is not there, root is not, right is over. Now, I will write root 45 over. Then left over, right over for this, left over, right over, I will write root 45 I wrote. Now, again 45 left, oh sorry, see I missed 90 here. Here 90 should come, I missed 90, sorry. So, left part is over. Now, right part. Okay, I wrote my right 90 and then I wrote my root 85. Now, should I write 100? No, root should not be written first, it will be last. So, my left part is over. Now, I will come to right part. As I come to my right part, I saw 120, it is acting as root. So what I will do, first I will write left. Here it is not root, it is only left, so I will write my left. Then I will go for right. If I go for right, here okay, so here we did only one mistake here. So see here, it is again root, na? So I will write left first, then right. So here first 145 will come, then here I will write 130. So let me just show that part over here. 120, here 115, right? 130, 145. If I push this up, I might have done mistake here itself. First left, then right, then root. So it will be like 145, comma 130. Okay, the left, right root 115, left, then right part, then 120 will come. Okay, correct? 115, 145, 130, then 120, then everything is over. Okay, first 115. If I say come to right, it is root. I cannot write this. I see left. It's not. There is no left. Then I write right of that immediately. I wrote 145. Then 130. So left over, right over. Now root. So left is over. Completely right is over. Now I'll write my root at the last 100. So this is how you do traversal for that. Like how to give for a given tree. How you write the all the three in order, pre-order, post-order, traversal. And now also we saw if they give any number, how to write the tree for that. So just don't if you encounter what to say, I did mistake for post order while doing this, at that time simply don't just comment this and all, watch till end, then only you will know, right, if we had a mistake or not. So see, anyhow everything completely we verified and checked. So only in the post order we forgot to write few things and a little confusion had happened. Instead of writing before, I wrote afterward. That's why here mistake happened, or else it wouldn't be happening. So this is what you have to know for your what is we say tree traverser. In the next video I will show you, if they give this expression, I mean to any two traverser, in that in order to always they will give, among these two any one they will give. For that, how we have to construct the binary tree from the given traversal expression. So we will see in the next class. For whatever it is, study well. Thank you.